Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to change quick chat settings in Honor of Kings. First thing first, launch Honor of Kings on your mobile device. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the main screen. In the settings menu, look for chat settings or quick chat where they may vary by versions and tap the quick chat slot you want to change. Now choose from the preset messages provided by the game or type your own custom text if supported in your regional version. Now confirm and save your new quick chat setup and your updated messages will now appear in matches when you use the quick chat button. Just a tip, keep your quick chat short and clear. Attack, defend and retreat so your teammates can react quickly. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe for our channel for more tips and tricks like this.